In this video, I want to talk about how you can trade the NQ inside of Webull. To do this, I suggest you download the app first, because we're going to use the app to apply for futures trading. After that, you can use the web trader, but first we just need to get access for the future trading. So what you want to do is you want to go to the app, go inside menu, settings, manage account, and go to the futures. In here you want to apply for futures trading, and after you've applied, you can now start trading the NQ. So you can do this from your PC after, just make sure you apply within the app. Then you simply want to deposit some funds. Then what you want to do is search for the NQ contract. So just go into the trading section and either look for futures, or you can just search directly for the NQ or the MNQ if you want to. And then what you can do is make your order. So just create the order like you usually would, select sell, buy or sell, choose what kind of order type you want, market or limit, enter how many contracts, set your price, and then you can place the order. So this is the easiest way to do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.